Hi, I'm Dave Thomas from Country Camper. Welcome to this video on how to install our fantastic fly screens. When you receive your fly screen, we've included an installation sheet and an alcohol wipe to clean the surface prior to sticking on the Velcro strip. Today we're filming inside an older Jayco camper, and in these caravans the door is held up by a metal hinge plate. Before we start, we'll need to clean that off and make sure it's free of any oil and dirt. And we've included a small alcohol wipe to give that whole surface a bit of a clean. Our screens are made with a Velcro strip, and that's adhesive. But before we mount it, we'll want to make note of where it falls on the hinge plate. I'm going to move this panel to one side so we can see what we're doing. So we're going to mount the Velcro here, but we want to make sure that it's going to clear the door frame at the bottom. So move the Velcro up until it's hanging freely and that the panels can swing back and forth. Make a note where we're going to stick the Velcro, peel the backing off, and then hold it up until we're roughly where we need it to be and stick it on. The screen needs to be more or less in the center of the door, with the slight allowance we've added so that the screen just brushes the interior of the door and swings closed. And there we have it.